Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, current and present prime ministers, deputy prime ministers, presidents, vice presidents, ministers and deputy ministers, ambassadors and chargés d'affaires, senior statesmen, senior academicians, senior journalists from around the world. I welcome you to American University of Iraq Sulaimani and our 7th Sulaimani Forum. First, I wish to thank Dr. Max Skelton, the director of the IRIS organization that sponsors the forum, his IRIS team, and our university staff for their incredibly hard work during the last several months in arranging this wonderful event. I thank the founder of this university, Dr. Barham Saleh, a current trustee of our Board of Trustees, as well as the chair of our Board of Trustees, Dr. Jill Derby, and those trustees who came from all across the world to be with us today, as did many of you as well. Special thanks to the first AUIS alumnus to serve on our Board of Trustees, Mr. Saad Hassan, who has generously contributed to the financial support of this event. On your way to this conference room, you may have noticed flags placed along the entrance of the building and flags in the hallways. Apart from a few exceptions, such as for the United Nations and our own university flags, these flags represent the nationalities of faculty and staff who have worked at AUIS since its founding 16 years ago. We also have today faculty and staff from 20 countries. We have students from all 19 governorates in Iraq, as well as neighboring countries such as Syria, Turkey, Iran, and a bit farther afield, Afghanistan. More than 27% of our students come from outside the Kurdistan region, which I believe is the highest number of that kind for any university in the region. So AUIS belongs in the category of special universities that support diversity as a means of education. It's one reason why we view ourselves as an American-style university. A second reason, we believe our students learn outside the classroom as well as inside. To us, it's just as important that the students learn teamwork and leadership skills on a football field as it is for them to learn academic excellence and critical thinking skills in the classroom. As a non-governmental, not-for-profit university dedicated to the public interest without investors or stockholders, our university educates the kind of people that every country needs: respected citizens and community leaders, as well as outstanding employees and professional leaders. So I am pleased today that the flags at AUIS celebrate not just our university community, but the diverse experience and viewpoints of you, our distinguished guests. As the Danish mathematician Piet Hein once observed, problems worthy of attack prove their worth by fighting back. And you will be discussing some very worthy problems today. Please know that you have the support of all of us at this university in this important work. It's now my pleasure to introduce my partner and friend, the founder of AUIS and the founder of Sulaimani Forum, former President of Iraq, the Honorable Dr. Barham Saleh.